Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano and the largest shield volcano in the entire solar system. At nearly 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers, high, it's almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Olympus Mons is so massive that it could easily cover the entire state of New Mexico in the US. Scientists believe this giant volcano formed billions of years ago, but it still remains dormant today. What secrets might it hold beneath its surface? Could it one day erupt again? Mars continues to be a planet full of surprises and mysteries.